How to flip an egg. Flipping an egg, whether you're making sunny side up, over easy, or over medium, requires a gentle touch and a bit of practice. Here's how to flip an egg successfully. 1. Preheat the pan. Start by preheating a non-stick skillet over medium heat. It's important to use a non-stick pan to prevent the egg from sticking and breaking when you flip it. 2. Add oil or butter, optional, if desired. Add a small amount of oil or butter to the pan to prevent the egg from sticking and add flavor. Allow the oil or butter to melt and coat the bottom of the pan evenly. 3. Crack the egg into the pan. Carefully crack the egg into the preheated pan. Hold the egg close to the surface of the pan to prevent it from breaking or splattering. 4. Cook until the whites set. Allow the egg to cook undisturbed until the whites are mostly set but the yolk is still runny. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your desired level of doneness. 5. Slide a spatula underneath the egg. Once the whites are set, gently slide a spatula underneath the egg to loosen it from the pan. Make sure the egg is not sticking to the pan before attempting to flip it. 6. Flip the egg. Using a quick and fluid motion, flip the egg over in one smooth motion. Use your wrist to flick the spatula and flip the egg without breaking the yolk. 7. Cook to desired doneness. Allow the egg to cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute on the other side, depending on your desired level of doneness. This will ensure that the whites are fully cooked while the yolk remains runny, for over easy or over medium eggs. 8. Remove from the pan. Once the egg is cooked to your liking, carefully slide it out of the pan onto a plate using the spatula. Be gentle to avoid breaking the yolk. 9. Season and serve. Season the egg with salt, pepper, or your favorite herbs and spices, and serve immediately while it's hot and fresh. Tips: use a spatula with a thin, flexible blade to make it easier to slide underneath the egg. Practice flipping eggs with an empty pan or using a piece of bread until you feel comfortable flipping them without breaking the yolk. If you're new to flipping eggs, start with just one egg at a time until you feel confident enough to flip multiple eggs simultaneously. With practice and patience, you'll soon master the art of flipping eggs like a pro.